Welcome back to this YouTube channel, and today we are visiting Western region to showcase a hidden gem in Webuye. We told you guys we're the king of hidden gems. We don't show the ordinaries, and today visit with us, come with us, stay, enjoy this video as we tour the Naboyole Falls in Webuye. This fall is located on the River Nzoia River, and it was previously known as Broderick Falls after the first European visitor during the colonial era, but was later changed now to Naboyole, which in a local language means coming together. It's because it was formed by 7 flows, river flows, which now jointly form this massive flow to be Naboyole Falls. It is our first time visiting there, and hope you guys will enjoy. It is in the rural side of Webuye town. Even the route from where we are, it's around 60 kilometers. So we'll be driving, show you the road, and we'll give our reviews of the place, and we'll see. You guys should support us now in this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the videos, comment, recommend anything, and we're down because we're here now to create memories and also to showcase Kenya. We are Kenyans and we love Kenya, so guys, support us. And if you are a visitor or a person for residing in America, anywhere in the world, when you come to Kenya, just follow our path. Every place we have visited, try to visit and feel the nature. We just love nature. Anywhere there is nature, that's the best place to be in the world. So guys, let's go.
Tesla on the bit. Flowing Productions.
Hello guys, here we are in Yaboyole Falls Resort. We've just arrived and it's a good trip. We enjoyed and we are glad we are here. Here we are. This we'll just show you around the resort. It's a nice one and I will recommend you guys to come. So right now we're trying to find a guide who will take us to the falls. The fall is somewhere down there. About a kilometer or so. So he'll take us there, give us the history of this place, of the falls, and then we hope you'll enjoy it, guys. So with us, enjoy this video. Again, remember to subscribe, guys, and like, support us. I want to say, Maji.
Support us, guys.
We are traveling this far. Imagine,
watch the last video.
Yes.
And you will see the hidden gem we went to. And then today is another one, and we will be showing you more and more.
Nyaje? Kofiti? Safi.
Kama unaenda tu
hizo kaseti
ama hata hizi
hizo unaenda tu
na hizi
hizi ni marumu sana.
Here we are again. We have our guy here. Jina ni gani boss?
Fred Wanyama.
Fred Wanyama. Fred ni msee wa hii hoteli tumekuwa and ameamua kutembeza kwa fall huko chini. So Fred, before tufike kwa fall, tupatie sasa history hiyo fall like hiyo fall pia huwa hazikuwa. Siku hizi zingine ni man made. So hii ilikuwaje?
Hii ni natural. Hapo ndio mahali wale watu wenye kupikania uhuru. Watu kama Jomo Kenyatta, Masinde Muliro, Elicha Masinde. Walikuwa wanajificha huko.
Walikuwa wanajificha hiyo huko. So hao ni leaders wa hii region, si ndio? Western region. Kina Masinde.
Masinde na Masinde na nani? Na Elisha Masinde na inaitwanga Chitambe Hills.
Oh, Chitambe Hills ndio ina produce your fall now, the height. Muone hiyo fall ni around 14 meters. Well, it's a nice one. So like wakoloni walikuwa wakifika hapo waoni hawa jamaa.
Walikuwa na wakati wa nini? Hao wakoloni walikuwa na wakati walikuwa wanasumbua kwa nakaa hapo. Sasa inakuwa kama ni protective site yao. Wakikaa hapo wakikuja wakiona hiyo maji ikiteremka hivi wanaokopa.
So guys, Kenya si Maumau peke yake. Una freedom fighters from Western, kina Masinde legends. So now tushafika, it's around navuka tu reli afu tunafika our location. So guys, enjoy the views.
Flowing Productions.
The best vlog ever.
Hello guys, here we are now. We are done with our visit here. It's about time we leave back to Eldoret now. It's time to review this place. Personally, I give it 9/10 because the location is good. They have good customer service. They have someone, a guide, who take you down to the fall. They explain to you every detail you need to know about the fall, and they have good connection ama communication with customers. Their places is very neat, it's very good. The food is very good. The sunset, they have swimming pool, enough parking. The view from here, so you can see the waterfall from here. So it's a place I would recommend, guys. Just come. Uh, you cannot travel. You cannot drive your vehicle down to the fall. So you'll have to park it here. Then because security is good, if you leave it here, it will be safe. You find it intact, and you will get to experience even the resort, despite the road outside here. It's rough road, potholes, but just about 1 kilometer of rough road. The other is just a smooth tarmac to the junction where we left in Mubui. So personally, I love it, and I will recommend you guys make sure you visit this place and make sure to subscribe to this channel. We'll be showing these views again and again. So just recommend and support us. Make sure to subscribe, to like, and share the video. So goodbye.